June arrived quietly, spring blending softly into early summer. At the blink of an eye, all my favorite footpaths got colored in shades of green, with specks of white and pink dotted amongst the lush foliage. The air is filled with the sweet scent of elderflower and the remains of hawthorn blossom. Through the many voices of birds and the sleepy hum of bumblebees, I can make out the quiet chirping sounds of crickets hiding in the tall grass. To me, that's the ultimate sign that the summer is already on our doorstep. This will be my second summer living in the countryside. I came here almost 2 years ago, and I still marvel at the sights and seasonal changes developing right before my eyes. How quickly life changed from winter to spring, from spring to summer, from eerie stillness to possibilities of life, from life to a quiet nostalgia. When June comes, a forgotten part of me awakens. A part of me that ran barefoot through a small grassy backyard between the tall high-rise buildings in the city where I was born. A part of me which spent an entire summer building forts amongst the sweetly perfumed jasmine bushes, reading, hiding from the world, creating a new one. And the bliss experienced from going outside and staring at the endless deep blue sky after a morning piano lesson. I remember a lot of my childhood. The memories and emotions are as vivid as day. I envision these moments as if they happened yesterday. Strangely, these moments are not connected to a place, but rather to feelings. It was a different world from the one I'm living today. Sometimes I forget that these memories are something I lived through. They all seem like a long-forgotten, hazy summer daydream. Today I foraged for some elderflower on a long walk around my village. It grows in abundance here in the hedges near the fields and on the roadside. It's a bush native to the UK, but I know that it grows in some other countries as well, so you may be able to find it. The tiny white flowers hang in clusters and bloom from the end of May to mid-June, later developing into purple berries. This year they appeared later than usual in my area, and I collected the first few from around 8 different bushes, taking only 2 at a time. The stems and later the berries are mildly toxic and shouldn't be consumed raw. To prepare the cordial, you have to separate flowers from stems as much as possible, but it's not an issue if a little bit of tiny stems remain. I grew to love a lot of traditional British food and drinks, elderflower cordial being one of my favorite seasonal treats. Its floral sweetness has now imprinted in my memory as much as the scent of jasmine from my childhood. The associative memory, the moment, the taste, the smell, all intricately painted on the canvas of my subconscious, causing most unexpected emotions on a long summer day. As written in the book I'm reading at this moment, the brain appears to possess a special area which we might call poetic memory, which records everything that charms or touches us, that makes our lives beautiful. I grew to know this life I'm living right now through many senses, and perhaps sometime in the future, when life again takes me somewhere unexpected, I will look back at it with nostalgia in the early days of summer. Do let me know what your favorite summer treats and memories are. I would love to know your experience. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again next time.